What's your monkey name?
Is it Blackjack?
Blackjack?
It's an old person I had since I was a kid.
Yeah.
And use it for fun and giggle.
I heard you give them up, huh?
Yeah.
What's going on downtown today? Everything's going all right or what?
It's fine.
Pretty quiet. Perfect. Sorry? Just driving out there now? About 6 weeks. Yeah, I was just like, oh, wow.
Who gives a...
Yeah. What do you need for this? I need 6 altogether. £1.5 pounds. Guy there. That's pretty crunchy. What do we got? 1, 2, 3, 5. Well done.
Well, we're back to the ranch here. We're getting our building supplies. We're getting our building supplies unloaded to finish my radio room, ham shack. I can't remember. I think they're daffodils.
Looks like daffodils.
Yeah, yellows are usually the first to come up. Fine spring day here. Oh, I found him down at Palmer Island. I'll give him to Trevor. Unless we'll be blasting the ducks. Yeah, it's got a little string and a weight. We could be this year. It's amazing the stuff that blows in there. Well, it's finally happening. We're getting the radio room finished. Got the doors, the windows in last year. Now we're getting the wiring in. We got enough of them. And through the other side there, just check and see. The insulation goes up quick. Here in the radio room. One is done in the Shanty Shack radio room. Insulation is almost done. Do the south wall, close this door in. Insulating is probably the easiest job you can do. Closing in the south door. Got it framed up 15 inches on center for the insulation. So we finished the walls insulating, and our time today was eaten up on this door system here. We had to block it in, frame it in. So that's done. Insulation is done around the walls. We just gotta figure out the ceiling, and I think we'll do tongue and groove pine, and the only thing is hold the insulation in. Maybe just vapor bear staple, and then put the tongue and groove pine in there. I think that's gonna work. There's Mark, he's ready for a cold one. And an Advil. His back went out and my knee's been out for several days. Putting the vapor barrier in. It's coming together. We're getting the north wall with pine or spruce planks. Rough cuts, I think it looks great. Our second lobster dinner. Second lobster feed of the season. $8.50 a pound for markets on the dock. Dig in. A second feed. Salut, slanchava. Enjoy. All the vacation cottagers are here, getting their cottage set up for the week, for the year. It's unbelievable. It'll start now, probably double the size of this little town. McKenna's Marsh on this cold spring day. I was here about a month ago, 3 weeks maybe, and you know what? There's not too much difference. I actually have stocking cap on. The north wind is quite cool, but the grasses have come up and a few more birds have moved in, but it's not the best birding day. Cold conditions and strong winds keep the birds down. So Hamish goes in for a swim. I've got his harness on, so don't know how that might affect his swimming a little bit. It just makes it easier. I do have to leash him up to control him, but he's getting better. There's lots of water here. A lot of rain this spring. There's a buzzy call. Really buzzy call. Lots of red-winged blackbirds, swamp sparrows, thrush, northern parula, first northern parula. It's hard to miss that parula. We have so many on the farm. At least I'm saying there's at least 50 nesting pairs on the farm. 220 acres. At least, and you get to know their call pretty good. Good depth there. I know there's trout in there too. Amoson's getting his zoomies out, that's good. Well, we're going to sign off from the Campbell Woods. We had a great week. Got my shed started. Had some lobsters. And we'll just carry on. Next building week will be next week. Radio Room Ham Shack. And before I know it, I'll have a radio in there and I'll be officially signing off.